y'all? JustZay here, back again another pickup. And today is a special day, of course. It is Christmas, and on top of that, we have a special unboxing. Today we are unboxing the pair of Air Jordan 2 Low SP. If you guys are unfamiliar, SP stands for Special Project. And as you can tell, this isn't a regular Jordan box. As you guys can tell, there are hints of South Africa right here, the hints of Detroit, and the Philippines. That all lets you guys know that today's unboxing is very special because this collab comes from Shelflife as well as Air Jordan. Alright, so the first thing I noticed when I unboxed this pair of shoes is you're going to see how detailed the tissue paper is on this one. You have brands of Shelflife as well as South Africa throughout this whole tissue paper. And of course, under that, you get the plain white tissue paper, and then you have the featured product, which of course is the Jordan 2 right here. Now, the great thing about this Jordan 2 to me is I love how they do subtle accents that are subtle as well as noticeable. And that what I'm talking about is the hint of the mandarin, this mandarin orange that's throughout the whole shoe. You have the mandarin orange on the tongue, you have the mandarin orange right at the bottom of the shoe, really on the bottom side, so you still notice it a little bit. And then you have brands of Shelflife, which is right here. And on this particular foot, you have branding of the Jordan brand right here. This colorway I think is great simply because they didn't go with the basic white and red, which is okay, don't get me wrong. I love when you do varsity red. I love when you do infrared red. I love when you do like the bronze red. But I think since they went to mandarin, it definitely sits well with this shoe because the upper is made of a cell-based white leather right here. Then on top of that, you have the forefoot, which is a hairy suede panels. And initially, I'll be honest, I didn't like it. Not because I didn't like how it looked, but for some reason, those Instagram clips or those memes where the people come and they get a razor and they shave the smoothness off of they shave the extra off of the top of the shoe, make it a smooth suede. I don't know why, but that is forever in my head whenever I see suede like this. And I remember when I was younger, I used to wish that they made a pair of shoes that had white suede because nobody would have that. So looking back at it, I like it. I like the white suede. I like the animal print right here, and I like the cell color leather that's right here, and I love the mandarin inside. First thing you notice again, it doesn't matter what angle you pick these shoes up, you're going to notice the Wings logo in this mandarin color right here, this mandarin orange. You're going to notice the bottom of the sole with the mandarin. I really love how they went with the semi-clear heel at the back of the shoe. Me personally, I love the semi-clear because it's not quite gel, because you know gel tends to yellow. The semi-clear doesn't yellow as fast because it's not as transparent as the gel would be, so expect this to last. Get the beautiful animal print once again. You have the orange laces as well as you have green laces. And so what I'll do is when I try these on, I'll put one green, I'll put one orange, just so you guys have an idea what it's like. Me personally, I like the cell white laces, so I'm going to keep it that way. But you know, there's nothing wrong with if you want to switch it up. These did of course come from Flight Club, as you guys can tell by the little labeling right here. Flight Club. They're legit check. These check out perfectly. So I was able to get these for retail, which I was super duper surprised. So anytime you get a pair of Jordans that retail or below retail, it's crazy. So definitely get these before the hype beasts get their hands on them. This is a well-crafted shoe, as you guys can tell. Let me see. There's hints of orange on the inside. Let me focus in. That's because it says only right here, and on this one it says team. So it says team only, and the sole that says team is the one that actually says the Jordan brand right here, and the one that has only is of course the Shelflife brand. So overall, man, definitely get your hands on these if you can. They retail for $200. Got them from Flight Club, which is currently in my size, a size 10. I did wear my true size, which is a 10. These fit perfectly. As far as the feel of the shoe, there is some padding in the upper of the shoe, which is great. Now, as far as the responsiveness of this sole, you're not going to get that, which is expected. When you buy Jordans, you buy them for the nostalgic purposes of them. You don't necessarily buy them for the comfort. So these are not uncomfortable, but these aren't super duper comfortable. So don't expect them to be comfortable outside of the padding on the upper parts of the shoe. Like I said, man, this is a great shoe. The colorway of this particular shoe is the cell white bone. mixed with the whites. And as you guys can tell, there's like this tan little accent right here that matches the back right here. There's so much detail into this shoe that I can't believe I got it for under retail. So if you guys can get you a pair, definitely get you a pair of these. JustZay signing out. Happy holidays. And in case you guys noticed, I did switch pants because it is time for our pajama party, pajama Christmas festivities. So pretty easy to slip on, and of course pretty easy to slip off. And in case you were wondering, I actually tucked in the colored laces inside of the sole, so that way you don't necessarily feel them when you're walking. I didn't want to cut them because that'd be cheating, so just want to tuck them in. You can do the same thing for the white if you wanted to, but you don't have to. So that's it. Say happy holidays. Say happy holidays. Happy holidays from the JustZay family. Keep your eyes on the road. Yep. Motorsport. Put that thing in sport. What? Yeah. Yeah, grab the steering wheel.